2012 Chevy Camaro V6. And then we got a Hellcat on this side. Then we got a Magnum on that side. Anyways, 2012 Chevy Camaro V6. Got 4 catalytic converters on it. 2 here, 2 here. Then got factory H-pipe right there. Then we did a resonator delete. Then we 2 1/4 out the back. Then put 2 vibrant 1792s. There'll be a link in the description out the back. On this side and on this side. With 4-inch tips out the back. Right there, stainless steel. There'll be a link in the description for them also. There it is. There's the rears that we took off, the 2 mufflers, and there's the 2 resonators right there. Mufflers, resonators, came out absolutely beautiful. V6 Camaro. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, it sounds good. Yeah, I like it. Here's sound decibels on it. Again, right at 112. Sounds good. And it's convertible. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Got lights and everything too in the wheels. Sexy idle to it too.